2005 Subaru Legacy GT. It doesn't want to start, cranks but no start. Had a small engine burn on this side, so I changed the whole wiring harness. I got it to start rolling down the hill, but these two cylinders are not working. Tried to unplug injectors here, no different. When I came to unplug these injectors, then you can hear third one stops or a fourth one. So these two cylinders are good, but these don't fire. So it runs on 2 cylinders. I changed the camshaft sensor and the crank sensor, so thought it would be that. Nope, I did not fix the problem. Could it be the engine ECM? Nothing. What else should I check? I was looking for a computer here, but I can't find anything. I checked all the fuses. The main fuse was blown, so I changed that. Over here. This is the main fuse, or for the starting fuse actually. Changed that. I checked all the other fuses are good. So I checked the ones all in the driver's seat over here. Check those as well. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think?